My mom will say, "Stop eating the food." Hot, but it's warm enough. Like I love it. So that's why I was like eating, even though it was like really full. I really like the chicken feet. I really like the chicken feet.
Oh yeah!
I found it delicious. It was amazing.
Yeah!
The sauce, the noodles.
Halo guys, balik lagi bareng aku. Oke teman-teman, so aku hari ini mau masak apaan? Pastinya masakan yang teman-teman selalu request. Apakah itu? Ada yang bisa nebak? Yes! Mie ayam. Aku sendiri sebenarnya favoritnya mie ayam teman-teman. Bakso atau mie ayam susah sih. Cuman kalau misalnya memang harus memilih antara bakso dan mie ayam, aku bakal milih mie ayam. Karena mie ayam tuh enak banget teman-teman. Nah ini kali pertamanya aku nyobain bikin mie ayam. Dan ternyata banyak ini itunya ya teman-teman. Belum lagi bikin ininya, kuahnya, belum lagi bikin segala macamnya. So teman-teman, aku deg-degan banget. Semoga nggak gagal, karena kalau gagal kasihan teman-teman aku datang untuk sia-sia. Aku sendiri udah compare berbagai jenis resep di internet, cookpad, anything, watching YouTube. So I hope it's gonna be something. Wish me luck guys, wish me luck, wish me luck.
Ohayo gozaimasu.
Hi guys,
Hello.
So yeah, welcome back with us, and now we have like a big meal. Anyone can guess what is that?
Hi.
It's heavy. Noodles
It's definitely noodles.
with
Bak choy.
Pak choy, yes.
Bok
You
choy.
don't have bak choy.
because I'm allergic to bok choy. So there's this thing that I think is
That's lasagna sheets.
Looks like that, right?
fried lasagna sheets.
It's
Yeah.
lasagna sheets.
Yeah.
No, that's from like wonton. You know, if you go to Chinese or like a bento, you get the fried stuff. It's that skin. That's the skin without the filling. Yeah. So wonton skin.
Finally, everything makes sense.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what I serve you tonight, we call it in Indonesia is mie ayam.
Mie
Ayam.
Yeah. Oh, good student. Mie ayam. It's easy. Yeah, it's easy.
It sounds like thank you.
Yeah, mie ayam. Mie ayam. Which means chicken noodle. So
Chicken noodle,
very similar, yeah, because it's a chicken and it's a noodle.
And I think there's a chicken in here.
Yeah, and then the chicken feet as well, of course. So just
High
dig in,
five,
guys.
PP.
Dig in.
Oh wait.
Don't play with the food.
High five.
Enjoy. So
this is
me,
bakso, right?
yeah, oh yeah, that's with meatball. This is, you can put the sweet as well if you like.
This is good. I'm gonna save for later.
I still have like 3 over there. You can eat that. Oh, the noodle just get.
The noodle is good.
Should be warm.
Wow.
Wow.
And chicken feels just as I remember.
You want more? Yeah, I can use mine for you.
It's okay.
Let me
I get 4.
I'll see how I am after this. Because I want to taste every bit.
It's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thank
I
you.
think I will try with this one.
Can I style.
Get in my tummy.
There we go.
So you
It has
like
so many different flavors that combining.
right?
Mm.
You mix it all together and then, or how do you usually eat that?
Yeah, I can mix it basically with the spicy actually, but I don't have spicy right now because I know you guys don't eat spicy. So in Indonesian I put like tomato, ketchup, and also like the sweet soy sauce, like this one, to mix it. So you have more flavor in there. When it's less salt, I have salt and chicken skin.
Mm.
Can I get ketchup on it?
The chicken feet is amazing.
Oh, no, the tomato chicken. Yeah? You want more? I have here. Just get as much as
What are these?
There's a meatball. Just get two.
How long is it to string?
So like when we eat like a little bit with this and the
Oh,
sweet
no.
soy. That's how we mix the food.
I love spring.
Spring onions.
There you go.
What's that? Ah, in Europe it's spring onions. Here they say
Green onion.
green onions. Yeah.
Oh my god, it's like.
May I have some more? Is that okay?
Yeah, of course. Finish it.
Thank you.
Are you eating a salad
I
right now?
love spring onions.
So do I. Is it okay?
Yeah,
Thank
eat
you.
them.
Thank you.
Jesus Christ, I hate it. Thank God.
You gotta eat it now, it's on your plate.
I'm allergic.
You're not allergic?
He is allergic for everything.
He's finally getting the joke, guys.
You gotta finish your chili.
I will.
My mom would say, stop eating the food.
Just inhale it. Just watch it, and you're gonna feel full.
Like, you just need to stop now.
Oh, Tiago, I feel sorry.
You gotta like bone it completely.
So crunchy.
How did you prepare this chicken? So you put some, like,
Yeah, so like the yellow sauce we call it. That's what I explained. Contessa,
with turmeric.
turmeric, and then coriander, and ginger, onions, garlic. And you cook it. You put sesame oil and
Okay.
oyster, salty soy sauce. Thank you. Oh, and then you put like a brown sugar in there as well. The
So I
noodle.
think you can do that with the tempeh too, right?
Yeah, we can do it everything basically.
And then the Q&A is gonna be like, Tiago, how full are you? Like, I'm dying.
It wasn't recording.
Seriously?
Not joking.
Oh my god.
I'll be like, well, guys, we have a problem right now because we have to eat everything again. Yeah, I'm like, well, okay. I'm like,
No, it's only that.
I'm so full right now.
Like you do the review, how was it? It's happy.
Tickets are well, they're feeding us.
You can feed me.
Help me out.
There's chains underneath the table.
Mom said I should stop eating.
It was really good. I liked the sauce for the chicken. It was sweet, and I love sweet again. So we didn't like it.
No, I love it. I eat it like so much, but the thing is, like, this thing was heavier than my hand. So, like, the idea why I didn't finish it.
Yeah, that was maybe like 3 portions for Indonesia.
Yeah, I noticed. So yeah, but it was really good. I like the noodles, especially like, I don't know why I have like this, like I love warm noodles. Like, you know, like when it's warm kind of thing, it's not like hot, but it's warm enough. Like I love it. So that's why I was like eating. even though it was like really full. I really like the chicken feet. It was like melting in the mouth, so that was good. I like the chicken here. I actually thought it was tempeh, like you guys said. Like I thought actually it was tempeh. That's why when I was, like I said, since some people here was saying there was like tempeh. Thank you so much, Alex. This thing, I actually thought it was until I ate it. I was like, that tastes like chicken. So that's great. So yeah, I like it.
It was really good. I really liked the sauce for the chicken. I was surprised that it's turmeric for
Oh,
it to make it
yeah.
yellow. I thought it was just like curry.
Oh,
But
yeah.
it's really good.
This one is from actually, but like maybe the sweetness come from sugar and then also another like oil and sauce. I mix it.
That makes sense.
Thank you.
Yeah, so I loved most the chicken and the sauce of the chicken as well. It was very, very tasty. I didn't like the checker so much. I don't like the chicken feet.
Chicken feet.
Anyways, it was really good. And yeah, noodles are always good. I love noodles, so very good.
Oh, thank you.
I found it delicious. It was amazing. The sauce, the noodles. I destroyed mine.
Oh wow,
Unlike Tiago, I was hungry. So I love chicken feet. It's one of my childhood memories, eating chicken feet. So it was great eating it again after I don't know how many years I haven't had chicken feet for. Yeah, I give it a thumbs up. Double thumbs up.
Oh, thank you.
He gave a professional credit.
I was doing the same thing.
It was tempeh?
No, it wasn't tempeh.
No, but he doesn't really organize like point by point by point.
Oh yeah, point by point by point.
I really like it.
Now it's your turn.
Right?
Now it's your turn. You can do the same. So
You can do the same.
Okay.
like
No,
for the salad, you
Now
know, structure.
now I got
For-
nervous.
How many more?
I got nervous.
Also professional.
Is it chili hot again?
Oh yeah, the chili was hot. So
That's it.
yeah, as well as they all say, it was great. I love how Asian in this Asian. No.
You can start.
Cut it. No, like.
Take two.
Whole nation food they try to balance to get the balance between like sweet and sour and salty. I always love how they mix that, and also add crunchiness and noodles was perfect. Like indeed, I was the one that thought this chicken was tempeh. Well, there's nothing here.
You finished everything.
I finished everything, but it was chicken. And, yeah, it was great.
Alright, thank you so much guys for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share and see you on the next video. Bye!
Love you.
Love you!